Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. On the last episode, when I installed the headlight bulb and the connector for my R32 Skyline, and I mentioned that I ordered the turn signal assembly, and here is the part number, and it's from GH Motors, Jackson, Wisconsin. I ordered this through Amazon. The bag is already open. Okay, looks good. Looks new. Alright, in this video, I'm going to install the turn signal assembly, and so let's get to it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the negative terminal. Just to be safe, you don't want any fuse that is blown or any electrical issues. So let's go ahead and disconnect that negative terminal. So once you are inside your car, alright, this is the turn signal assembly, and to get access to it, you're gonna have to remove the columns. Alright, so underneath the columns here, there's going to be some screws under here. Right here. Some car it might have 4 or more, but yeah, just go ahead and get your Phillips screwdriver and take the screws out. It should be straightforward, and you know, this cover should just come off. And let's go ahead and do that. Once you got the screws out and remove the cover, for the R32 Skyline, you have to move this this cover from the ignition. Alright, and I did that first, and then make sure that you get all the screws. It's total of 6. Alright, and then make sure that you will have to pull this leverage down so that your steering can go up and down. So you know it will give you more clearance to get the top cover off. So looks like it's going to be very simple. Install the signal assembly. So as you can see right here, that's the plug right there. So we have to remove that plug, and there is 2 screws that's holding the assembly. So just go ahead and let's do it, and it should be a simple job. Okay, once the assembling is out, and this should be it should be disconnected right here. Has a little center push button, and you know, just pull the connector out. Very simple. Alright, so comparison these 2 assembling, they are very similar. Here's the new one that I bought, and this is the OEM one. What happened for the OEM is I think there's something wrong with the connector inside here. Is very sticky. You know, I didn't feel like, you know, messing around with it, so I'm just decided to get a brand new one. And so okay, I'm just gonna install this, and we'll see how it goes. The turn signal assembly is installed. Everything is good. No problem, no issue whatsoever. 2 screws and the connector in the back. Very simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and put everything back together. Once the turn signal assembly has been completed, then don't forget to install the negative terminal back together, and then we're going to check the signal light for the right side. Looks good. And then for the left side, everything looks good. So I'm very happy for the result. Now I don't have any turning signal issue, the headlights issue. Everything is running properly and safe on the road. Alright, this is it, and until next time. Hey, I got some parts right here that I'm not going to use. If anyone is interested on these brand new bulbs that I ordered from Japan, took me 3 months to get here and I can't use it. These are brand new. I just took this out in the box, you know, it's still in the package. These bulbs, you know, I could just sell it for a couple dollars plus shipping anywhere in US. Same thing for this OEM right here. It still works. The only thing that is, you know, I think these contacts right here, it's just sticky. Maybe it needs some cleaning. But like I said, you know, I don't want to use that time and, you know, clean it or, you know, investigate what's wrong with it. But, you know, whoever has the time, I'll sell for a couple dollars and plus shipping around the US. So, you know, if anyone interested, just drop the comment down and we can go from there. Thanks.